Your living area, which extends all the way up from this. So this is going to be your kitchen. As you can see, the second bedroom is designed in a very different way. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Lake City by Encore. By Encore, the project is located off Mumbai Highway, Pantancheru, Hyderabad, Telangana. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, this is the exact location of the project and I'm standing outside of the marketing office and the land parcel is just behind your office area. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, the listing is done directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. So stop going anywhere else and book your dream home directly with Housey. Coming over first to the project overview, Lake City by Encore is spread approximately upon 32 acres of land parcel, having 5 towers with 2 basement plus ground plus 23 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So the current phase also is having 14,000 plus apartments. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers a host of lifestyle amenities, including 3 different clubhouses, which is for 50,000 square feet. Then there's going to be a swimming pool, fitness center, jogging track, basketball court, kids play area and much more. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located off Mumbai Highway, Pantancheru, Hyderabad, Telangana. And this is your connectivity area that takes you to Mumbai Highway, connecting you very easily to the outer ring road, and that connects you to the main city area like Miapur. Outer Ring Road is only 20 minutes away from here, Financial District being 35 minutes away, and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport being only 40 minutes away from here. Now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for Lake City by Encore, and the configuration for that is 1101 square feet. Now, as we enter, we first have our door, and as you can see, the door is given a wooden structure, so you have your key lock system as well as the eye system. Coming inside, this is going to be your open space area, that is your living area, which extends all the way up from this until that space. And as you can see, this is already very cozy and spacious. There are like a lot of switches for electricals, and you also have a lot of space amount for adding your couches, for adding your wardrobe on the side. So you can turn this into your cozy corner. And then coming on the other side of your living area, if you want, you can add a small space of dining area, and you will still have a lot of space, as you can see, in the center as well. So if you want, you can extend your dining area in the center or design it however you like. And then you have another small space area here. So if you want, you can turn that as well into your living space area or into your tea area or anything as per your choice. Here as well, you have your electric units and you have your lightings done all over in the house. If you notice, you have your fan system properly placed. So a lot of things can be added inside the house. Now this comes with a perfect balcony attachment right in front of this area. And as you can see, your balcony is extremely spacious and long as well. It starts from there up to this corner. Now the best part about this balcony is that it easily also connects you to your kitchen area, that is your kitchen dry utility area from here. You have a direct view access point to your outside colony from the balcony. The railings also has been done perfectly for your safety system. So just a perfect balcony. Now, as we come back inside, right close to your living cum dining area, when you go to the corner, you will have your kitchen area. So this is going to be your kitchen. As you can see, the tilings of the kitchen also has been done very nicely. You have proper electric switches given for your kitchen. Ample amount of space for you to add your fridge on this corner. So you can add a large fridge as well because of the corner space that has been made over here. Right in front of your wash basin, you have your window for good amount of ventilation. Here as well, you have your chimney. If you want, you can add that, so you will get good amount of ventilation. And like I mentioned about the dry utility, so this is going to be a dry utility where you can add your washing machine, you can add your electric switches, and like I mentioned, it connects you to your balcony. Now coming to our first bedroom, this is going to be your first bedroom. As you can see, it is designed in a very unique and a simple manner which almost looks very beautiful. So if you want, you can turn this into your kids area or your kids playroom, design it however you like. Again, here as well, you have light switches properly designed, you have your fan system also given. And in this room as well, you have two different window systems. One is on this corner of the room and the other one is on that corner of the room. Now the other good thing is that you will also have here an attached bathroom which will be extremely spacious. If you notice, the corner is designed very differently in the washroom. The other side you have your toiletry system, and on the other corner side you have your shower system with your ventilation. So if you want, you can divide that corner as well. In your washroom also you have your proper lighting, tilings and your electric switches as well given. Now, before we move into our second bedroom, or you can call it your master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information about the project, like the location, and as you can see, we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find the pros and cons of the project. You will find the EMI, down payment option, exclusive pricing details, and on our website you can actually also see a 360 virtual tour of the entire project. If you want to book a site visit, which is completely free, if you want to schedule it, you can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can directly go to www.housey.com for more information. Now, entering into our other second bedroom. As you can see, the second bedroom is designed in a very different way from what we saw in your first bedroom. So this is going to be your first space that comes in the room where you can add your wardrobe, and if you see the paintings also that has been done inside the house, if you want you can do that, add decor. Here as well you have good lighting source, you have your fan system given, and you have a smoke alert as well for your safety system that has been given. Now as you can see, the corner has been designed so beautifully so that you have a lot of space on this side, where if you want you can add your study table, or you can design it in a different way also. Right in front of this you have your window system with your proper switch as well given, and this room as well has a attached washroom. Now this washroom also comes with proper ventilation system. You have your tiling done, you have your shower system on the other side, you have your light given with your electric switches, everything just perfect. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour for Lake City by Encore. Hope you liked the actual sample flat tour. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.